So let's run this back. Michael Williams here, White Label Consulting. It's been a very prosperous and full, um, very full October. First of all, this joint is brought to you by White Label Consulting. This is brought to you by Custom, I should say. Do I have the custom scene loaded here? Doesn't matter. Listen, let's run it back. Let's keep it going. So last month I did a special in October where I said I would help you out and I'll fix your live stream for free for 30 days. Your YouTube, your podcast, whatever it is, help with thumbnails. So let's just keep this going. So this video will be quick and to the point. I'm offering my services. It's 9 o'clock here. November 7th, 2025. For the rest of the year, if you need help, reach out to me. All you got to do is reach out to me. We'll set up a day, go through your live stream, go through your YouTube, go through your church live stream, whatever you want, need help with. Absolutely free, no charge. You can donate something if you want, but you won't get an invoice from me. So let's keep that going. That's how I'm going to finish the year. I'm going to be working on some OBS stuff. There will be some other things I'm working on here in the future, but right now, that's where I'm at. That's what I've been moved and been led to do. So guess what? If you need help, reach out to me. These are my contacts. In the description, you can get my email address, and I'll put a number that you can text me at in the description, or you can just comment below. I need help. So that's it. No catches and anything. That's what we do. We teach live streaming, YouTube. We teach podcasting. I work at a podcast studio here, and so I'm editing some podcasts right now. So that's it. The rest of the year. It looks like another, let me see, 23, another 50 days or so to the end of the year. Hit us up, White Label Consulting. Glad you watched this video. Hope you take advantage of it. Have a great day.